Today we are drawing the qualitative influence line diagram. Let's take first example. Consider a simply supported beam of span 8 meter. Draw qualitative influence line for reaction, shear and moment at section 5 meter from the left support. Also calculate ordinates at 2 meter interval. So my first step is draw simply supported beam. So at support A, we draw the hinge support. At support B, we draw the roller support of span 8 meter. We have to calculate shear and moment at a section 5 meter from the left support. So let's consider a point C at a distance 5 meter from the support A. So we have to draw the shear and moment at section C. Next step is draw the ILD for reactions RA. Right? For that, first draw a span AB with the roller support at B. Remove the support at A, right, and applied the vertical guided roller at support A and applied the vertical force. When we applied the vertical force, support B is remain as it is, support A is going upward, and when we draw a line, it look like this, right? At support B, the value is 0, and at support A, the value is 1. So this is the influence line diagram for RA. Next step is draw the ILD for RB, that is reaction at support B. For reaction at support B, support A is remain as it is, remove the support B and applied the vertical force at B. When we applied the vertical force at B, support A is remain as it is and B point is going to upward. So, and when we draw a line, it look like this. At support B, the ordinate is 1 and at support A, the ordinate is 0. This is the ILD for RB. Similarly, draw the ILD for shear at section 5 meter from the left support. That is, you can say shear at point C. For that, you have to keep this support A and B as it is. Provide a vertical guided roller at support C. And for the vertical guided roller at point C, applied the downward force on the left hand side and applied the upward force on the right hand side. So when we applied the downward force on the left hand side, support A is remain as it is, and when we applied the downward force on the left hand side, the diagram is like this. And when we applied the upward force at C on the right hand side, support B is as it is, and when we applied the upward force, the diagram is like this. Join this at C, ordinate at C. On the left hand side, you can say it is 5. This distance is 5. So you can say it is 5 by total length of the AB or total span of the AB is 8. And on the right hand side, ordinate is 3 by 8. Next step is draw the influence line for moment at a section 5 meter from the left support, that is moment at C. For the moment at C, draw the simply supported beam as it is. At point C, applied the internal hinge and applied the rotation at point C. On the left hand side, applied anti-clockwise rotation, and on the right hand side, applied the clockwise rotation. And when we applied that, A support is remain as it is. Draw a line from A to C. Same way, clockwise, draw a line from B to C. And the ordinate at the C point is, this distance A to C is 5 meter, multiplied by distance C to B is 3 meter, divided by total span 8 meter. So it is 15 by 8. This is the influence line diagram for MC. In the next video, we calculate the ordinate at 1 meter interval.